Hello guys, and again welcome to this Spiritual Life podcast, and I'm your host Lalit Sharma. And my today's topic is how 1 to 2% of the people in this world control or take decision for the 98% people all over the world. So guys, do you know that all the main decisions or mostly like all the rich people are only 1% or 2% of the population, and all the government people and businessmen all over the world take decision for the 98% of the population or the majority of the people all around the world. And we don't even realize that the minority is controlling the decision or taking decision for the majority of the people, because everyone believe that this is the majority or that majority of the people are the ones that take decision, but that is completely wrong. The minority or the one who are like intolerant or don't want to take whatever the world give them are the one who take decision or make everyone follow them. Because guys, have you ever seen that whenever there is a vegetarian in a group of non-vegetarian, he will make that everyone in the group should eat or will eat vegetarian, because he is the only one that is vegetarian and other are non-vegetarian, and other can eat vegetarian and meat as well, but a vegetarian cannot eat meat. So guys, that's how the minority control everyone, because for example the majority of the people are flexible. They can like switch from different things, just like my example of non-vegetarian can eat vegetarian as well and non-vegetarian as well, but the minority of the people, or you can say that vegetarian, cannot eat meat. They can only eat vegetarian. So everyone around them have to switch to what they want, because if they want to keep them, or like if a group of people of non-vegetarian have to keep a vegetarian friend, they have to like follow whatever he wants, because if he want to eat vegetarian, then everyone or all of his friend have to also eat vegetarian. So that's how the minority or the people who are not flexible or who are not intolerant take the decision of everyone and take them for everyone. Have you seen that like single person, for example a president or a big businessman, can like change or take a big decision that will affect the whole world or can affect their whole country? For example, if a businessman or a big businessman decide to shut off his services or like his product or business, it might affect all over the world or all of the people of his or its country. And just like that, a president can take a decision regarding a war, and he can take decision for everyone or like whole world. Just because Joe Biden decided to like attack Russia, they are having problem, and all over the world or all the people are having problem because of them. And Russia and Ukraine as well, because of them fighting, all over the world is suffering because of depression, and the value of the money is decreasing because two countries or like two people, their president, are fighting, and those two people, only two people, are affecting all the world. So that's how minority of the people who are intolerant or like those people who are not flexible or can take shit from others are the one who take decision for everyone. And you might say that they are doing this or they can do this only because they have power. I understand, but they have power for the exact same reason, because they don't want to be settled for less, or they just wanted to be different from everyone, and they didn't like to tolerate, or they were just intolerant to everyone. So they decided to do completely different things, and they are where they are because of their intolerance, because they didn't tolerate how the world was. They decided to have power in their hands, and because of their intolerance they are taking decision for everyone. So guys, what can you learn from this? You can learn from this is that if you want to have something in your life, don't be just flexible. Don't be like things will happen, I will see this, and you will be like just go with the flow. I understand going with the flow is not bad, but you should also know that what your goal is. You should go with the flow with your goal, not everything. For example, if you have a goal of building a business, you can go with the flow of the things that you do to create a business or be a businessman. But you cannot or should not be flexible or go with the flow when you don't know what you want to do, because when you don't know what you want to do or where you want to go, you will just drift away in the like a stone in the river, and you don't even know where you will go. So guys, that's all for today's episode, and if you liked it, please share it with your friends, family, people you love and care about. Thank you again.